Welcome to Brain Attainment. This is your go-to channel for all things fascinating and educational. Here at Brain Attainment, we're dedicated to unpacking complex topics and serving them up in bite-sized, digestible pieces. From the mysteries of the cosmos to the wonders of the human body, we're committed to fueling your curiosity and expanding your knowledge. So, come along as we explore, learn, and grow together. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey of discovery. Today, we delve into the world of biohacking. But what exactly is biohacking? Well, let's break it down. The term biohacking may sound like it's straight out of a science fiction novel, but it's far from fiction. The prefix bio refers to life, living organisms, or biology, while hacking suggests a shortcut, trick, or an efficient way to achieve an end. Together, biohacking is all about understanding and hacking our own biology to enhance our health, well-being, and performance. To put it simply, biohacking is the practice of changing our chemistry and our physiology through science and self-experimentation. It's a broad spectrum that includes everything from using wearable technology to track our sleep patterns, to modifying our diets, to even extreme measures like implanting devices into our bodies. Biohackers, or those who practice biohacking, are essentially individuals who believe in the power of do-it-yourself biology. They believe that by tweaking our daily habits and introducing new ones, we can make our bodies and brains function better. They experiment, they learn, they adapt, and they innovate, all in the pursuit of enhancing their own biology. Biohacking is based on a systems thinking approach to our own biology. It's about understanding how our bodies work and how various inputs like food, exercise, stress, sleep, and toxins affect our health and well-being. It's about taking control of these inputs and outputs to optimize our performance. But the key to successful biohacking lies not in drastic life-altering changes, but rather in small, incremental changes that add up over time. It's about making tiny tweaks to our daily habits and routines, and observing the effects these changes have on our bodies and minds. Biohacking is self-directed, self-experimentation. It's about taking control of our own health rather than relying solely on the traditional healthcare system. It's about empowering ourselves to understand our bodies at a deeper level and to make informed decisions about our health and well-being. As we venture further into the realm of biohacking, remember this. Biohacking isn't just for the scientists, the tech-savvy, or the health nuts. It's for anyone and everyone who wants to understand their body better and to optimize their health and performance. Think of it as a DIY approach to enhance your own well-being. There are various techniques that biohackers use to achieve optimal health. Let's explore a few. First up is nutrigenomics. This is a fascinating field that explores the relationship between our genes, nutrition, and health. By understanding our unique genetic makeup, we can personalize our diet to optimize our health. For instance, certain individuals may metabolize caffeine faster due to specific genetic variants. Knowing this, they can customize their coffee intake to avoid jitters or sleeplessness. Next, we delve into sleep optimization. In our busy, connected world, good quality sleep can often elude us. But for biohackers, sleep is non-negotiable. They use various techniques to enhance their sleep quality and consequently their health. These can include maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating an optimal sleep environment, and even leveraging sleep technology like sleep trackers. The goal is simple: to wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, ready to tackle the day. Lastly, let's talk about exercise with an oxygen mask, commonly known as EWOT. This technique involves breathing in higher concentrations of oxygen during exercise. The theory is that it can help increase the amount of oxygen in your blood, thereby improving athletic performance and recovery. Picture yourself running on a treadmill, but with an oxygen mask on, taking your workout to a whole new level. But it's important to remember that biohacking is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's all about personalization. What works for one person might not work for another. It's about experimenting and finding what works best for your body. It's about making small, incremental changes to improve your health and well-being. So whether it's tweaking your diet based on your genes, optimizing your sleep, or exercising with an oxygen mask, the key is to listen to your body, observe how it responds, and adjust accordingly. Remember, Biohacking is all about personalization. What works for one person might not work for another. So, what can you gain from biohacking your own body? Biohacking, at its core, is about optimizing human performance, health, and well-being. But let's delve into the specifics, shall we? First and foremost, biohacking can lead to improved mental clarity. By tweaking your diet, sleep patterns, and even your thought processes, you can achieve a level of mental acuity that might have seemed elusive before. Imagine being able to concentrate on a task for hours on end, or having the mental agility to juggle multiple tasks at once. That's the power of biohacking. Next, let's talk about physical performance. Whether you're an athlete looking to push your limits or a regular Joe seeking to stay in shape, biohacking can help. Through techniques like high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, and cold exposure therapy, you can enhance your body's resilience and endurance. Biohacking also extends to recovery, with practices like foam rolling and meditation to aid in muscle recovery and reduce stress. But perhaps one of the most compelling benefits of biohacking is the control it gives you over your own health. Biohacking encourages proactive health management. It's about understanding what your body needs and how you can provide it. This could mean anything from tracking your sleep pattern to understand your body's rest needs, to monitoring your blood sugar levels to manage your diet. Moreover, biohacking is about personalized health. It acknowledges that every person is unique and therefore each one's path to optimal health will be different. It's about listening to your body, understanding its signals and responding in a way that promotes overall well-being. In essence, biohacking is a journey. It's a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. It's about pushing boundaries, breaking norms, and stepping out of your comfort zone. But most importantly, it's about taking control of your life, your health, and your happiness. When done correctly, biohacking can help you make lasting changes to your life. And that's the true beauty of biohacking. It's not just a short-term fix, it's a lifestyle change. It's about making the conscious decision every day to live a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. However, like any other practice, biohacking also comes with its own set of risks. As we delve into the world of biohacking, it's not all sunshine and roses. The lack of regulation in this area can put biohackers at considerable risk. For instance, some enthusiasts have turned to supplements that are not regulated by health authorities. This means that the quality, safety, and efficacy of these products can't always be guaranteed. The supplements could potentially contain harmful substances, or they may not deliver the promised benefits. In the worst-case scenario, they could even lead to severe health complications. Another risk that biohackers face is the potential for over-optimization. In the quest for self-improvement, biohackers may push their bodies to the limit, which could lead to undue stress. The human body is a complex system, and pushing one aspect of it to the extreme can upset the balance and cause other areas to suffer. For example, forcing yourself to stay awake for longer periods to increase productivity could lead to sleep deprivation and its associated health risks. Moreover, biohacking also entails the risk of self-misdiagnosis. Biohackers often use devices and apps to monitor various aspects of their health. However, these tools are not always accurate, and relying on them too heavily could lead to misinterpretation of data and subsequent inappropriate action. Lastly, some biohacking practices involve invasive procedures, such as implanting devices under the skin. These procedures carry risks of infection, rejection by the body, and other complications. Some biohackers even experiment with genetic engineering, a practice fraught with ethical and safety concerns. In conclusion, while biohacking can offer a path to self-improvement, it's not without its pitfalls. It's a realm that requires caution, knowledge, and a healthy respect for the complexity of the human body. Remember, biohacking is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're considering biohacking, it's important to do your research and, most importantly, consult with a healthcare professional. They can help you understand the potential risks and guide you in making safe and informed decisions. Always remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health practice. So that was a brief overview of biohacking. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of biohacking together, touching on its definition, various techniques, inherent benefits, and potential risks. It's important to remember that biohacking is a deeply personal journey. It's about understanding and working with your unique biology to optimize your health, performance, and overall well-being. We've learned that biohacking techniques range from simple lifestyle changes like diet and exercise to more advanced methods such as genetic engineering. Each approach offers its own set of benefits, from improved focus and energy levels to enhanced physical performance and longevity. Yet, it's crucial to approach biohacking with a sense of caution. As we've discussed, certain techniques carry potential risks that could negatively impact your health. Always consult with a healthcare professional before embarking on any biohacking experiment. Biohacking is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Each of us has unique needs and goals, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's about finding what works best for you and continuously adjusting and refining your approach. In essence, biohacking is about taking control of your own health and well-being. It's about being proactive rather than reactive. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible and constantly seeking ways to improve. If you enjoyed this video and would like to continue exploring fascinating topics with us, don't forget to subscribe to Attainment. Until next time, stay curious.